Hey guys, today's video is going to be my July Boxycharm unboxing. Okay, the theme for this month is sunshine. Sunshine. I got variation 31. We're just cutting right to the chase, by the way. I'm not going to explain what Boxycharm is. If you've been watching my channel for a long time and you still don't get Boxycharm, just don't talk to me, okay? First thing in the box is from Doce. I've gotten things from this brand before and I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a fierce and fine graphic pen. Oh, it's a graphic pen. A deeply pigmented and a waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. Retails for $21. It's a freaking black eyeliner. It's a graphic liner. They try to make it sound like more intense. Actually, that is very like fine point. Okay, it's not focusing and I have no patience right now, so just know it's very fine. Okay, next thing in the box is from Grace and Stella. These are eye masks. It says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye masks, 12 pairs. Whoa, okay. Retails for $21. Suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? Perk them up as if you had just been asleep for 8 hours. Eye masks. Let's open this. This is what the box looks like. They're golden. Interesting. I'll definitely try these out. Anti-wrinkle. What if you already got wrinkles? Does it make them go away? Or is this like preventative? Next thing in the box is from Hourglass. This is the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Retails for $28. An ultra precise brow pencil designed to impact the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. Ooh, let's check this out. We got dark brunette. Mama's not a dark brunette anymore. I was born one. Yeah, dark brunette. I mean, we can try it. We can try. I mean, I can, you know, if you go lightly, you can work with it. Next, we have 111 Skin. 111 Skin. This is the NAC, the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. Defense. They spelled defense, D-E-F-E-N-C-E. That's not how you spell defense. Or is that one of those words where you can spell it both ways? I've never seen it spelled that way. This retails for $21. Nope, that was something else. This retails for $135. Okay. It says a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. It's a unique booster that shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Why do I never believe skincare claims? I just never like really it protects against blue light. Like, I don't know. Does anyone else with me just have a hard time believing claims that these companies make? Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand. That's what it looks like. $135. Wait, is that for? It's for this size. And this is 0.68 ounces. All right. I mean, $135. It should friggin' work, right? Has an odd smell. It smells like something I've smelled before. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. It smells like back to school supplies. Like what? Oh, this is very like jelly. Like gel-like consistency. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah. Okay, and the last thing in the box, as usual, is a palette from Pure. This is the Festival palette. Right? Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Retails for $36. Yeah. No festivals to go to, unfortunately. Look at that packaging though. Whoa. Oh, a little sneak peek of the colors. Woo! Oh, cool. One of my shadows, the black too, of course, is smashed. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, I can probably put like a little alcohol in it fix it. That's a bummer. And the blue one is cracked too. I don't know if you can see like right along there. But these are pretty colors. Okay, like these two right here, and that purple is pretty. This color is pretty. There's some pretty colors. My thoughts on the box. You know, black eyeliner, I have 50 million of these. Not excited for that. The eyebrow pencil, I'll try out, although I'm not dark brunette. We'll just have to use a light hand and see how it goes. These eye patches, I will definitely try out. I'm excited for these. The eyeshadow palette, I will use the colors. I am kind of bummed that one of them is ruined. 1.5 of them is ruined. Yeah, although, you know, I think if I'm just very careful and add some alcohol, right? Doesn't alcohol help to put eyeshadows back together? And then this stuff, again, skeptical. I'll try it out. With skincare, you know, you gotta give it a while to see if it actually works. Although if it does work, it's $135. So that was everything that I got in my July Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. I'll also have a playlist where you can watch my other Boxycharm videos. I think this August will be 6 years I've been getting Boxycharm. Yeah, because 2014, August 2014 was when I got my first Boxycharm. So I'll link 6 years worth of Boxycharm videos for you down below. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.